In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create animation in Canva. If you've ever built a design in Canva and felt like everything looked a little too static, this walkthrough will help. Instead of getting stuck with flat text and still graphics, you can use Canva's built-in animation tools to create motion quickly and cleanly, without needing complicated editing software. I'll show you how to set up the right workspace, apply animation effects, create custom movement, adjust the timing, and export your finished video. To begin, open Canva and start in the correct format. This is important because animation works best inside a video-based project rather than a standard static design. From the homepage, click Create a Design, then search for video or Instagram Reel. Choose the standard video format, which opens a full editing workspace with a large canvas and a timeline at the bottom. That timeline is where Canva manages motion and duration, so starting here gives you the proper setup for animation. Once your project is open, add a few elements to the page, like text, shapes, or graphics, so you have something to animate. If you want a quick and consistent effect across the whole page, click on an empty area of the canvas so the page itself is selected. Then click Animate from the top toolbar. On the side panel, you'll see several preset page animations, such as rise, pan, or stomp. When you click one, Canva applies that motion style across the page, giving your design an instant polished feel. For more control, select a specific element on your canvas, like an icon or illustration. In the animation panel, choose Create an Animation. Then click and drag directly on the element to draw the path you want it to follow. This is one of Canva's most useful animation features because it lets you create movement that feels more custom and natural than a preset effect. You can make the path simple, curved, or more playful, depending on the look you want. After drawing the movement, refine it using the controls in the side panel. Adjust the speed slider to make the motion faster or slower. You can also switch between styles like original, smooth, or steady to clean up the movement and reduce any roughness from your hand-drawn path. If you want the object to turn naturally as it moves, enable the option to orient the element to the path. Before exporting, preview everything using the play button or your spacebar. Watch the timing carefully and make sure the motion feels smooth and balanced. When you're happy with the result, click Share, then Download, choose MP4 video, keep the quality set to high definition, and download your final file. And that's it. You now know how to create animation in Canva from start to finish. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.